Welcome everyone to my channel. I am NAINIKA. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. So today's look is gonna be a soft dewy look using two eyeshadows. For that, I am first priming my face using primer plus setting spray. The link is in the description box. I made a video on it. Now taking a moisturizer from Pond's and then moisturizing my lips using baby lips, and then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. It's a very great primer for dewy look. Now I'm using the foundation from Maybelline in two shades because I'm in between of them, and then dotting that to all over my face. And then I'll be using my fingers to spread this all over my face. This will give me more coverage. Now I'm taking a brush and buffing that all over my face. Now taking a beauty blender, I will soak up the excess foundation on my face. Now it's time to conceal my eyelid. I'm taking a Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown, and using my fingers I will blend it. Now taking a concealer from Wet n Wild, I will mostly focus on the areas where I have acne and leave that for a minute. And then taking a Lakme Rose powder, I will be setting my eyelids. Now coming to the eyebrows, I will finish it and then move towards the eye using the Maybelline the Drop Nudes palette. I am taking the white shade and then putting it all over my eyelid up to the crease. And then taking a larger blending brush and blending its edges. Then taking the black shade from the same palette, I will be drawing to the upper lash line to the 2/3 of my eyes, so that I can get a smoky eyeliner, and then smudging it with the pencil brush. Same doing to my lower lash line to the 2/3 of eyes, and then taking a color to curl my eyelashes. Now I am blending the concealer and you can see it hides all my acne marks. Now I'm taking the same concealer and highlighting my main points of my face. Then taking a blending brush, I will starting with the chin, forehead, nose, and then lastly to down of the eyes, so that I can get more coverage over there, and taking a loose powder again and setting that with a beauty blender. Now I'm taking that same black shade and intensifying the eyelids, and then smudging it with a smudger brush. Then taking the Savannah Ultra Blush palette with a flat shader brush, I will be contouring my nose. And taking the larger brush then to my face. Then taking the highlighter from the same palette, I'll be highlighting my inner corners, nose and chin and my face, and then taking a beauty blender and stamping all over my face where I applied the highlighter, so it will all look into my skin. Now taking the blush, applying on my cheeks. Using a same dewy primer plus setting spray, I will be spraying on my face to set my makeup, and then taking out the excess using a beauty blender. If you like this look, please comment down below and let me know. And next I am using the Beauty People lipstick in the shade 404. I will mention the link in the description box for this side, and then applying mascara from Maybelline. Please, if you like this look, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you for watching my video.